Welcome back to the channel, guys. We are at Lymington. We're going for a trail, 8k trail along the coast. So we're going to take you along for that. We're in Lymington town at the moment, which is lovely. Right next to a slipway here. Looks quite a decent slipway as well. Apart from the parking, I can't see any trailer spaces at the moment. I'm going to go and have a look, but I'm not sure where you'd actually park your trailer. So it might be good for kayaks and inflatables, but not good for other boats. But we're going to head on now and get on with our walk. The trail starts at Key Hill with its beautiful cobbled streets. Then we head on past Burton Boatyard and Lymington Marina. We pass Lymington Harbour Slipway before heading on to Normandy Lagoon, which is a bird watcher's paradise. On the return journey, we pass inland through muddy pathways and narrow lanes. We decided to go back the way we came instead of walking through Lymington. The trail is called Lymington and Keyhaven Marshes. It's available on the All Trails app. The length of the trail was 8.7 kilometres and was a nice walk, even though it was very busy. Right, we're just walking out of the town now, Lymington town. So we're heading hopefully towards the sort of marina. And we can find our way down onto the coastal path. It's a bit noisy here at the moment and not so serene as we want it to be. Right, the marina is just up to our left here. We've got a long path which goes around the perimeter of it. So you feel a bit detached from the coastline at the moment, but I believe there is a public footpath through the marina which gets onto the path that we want. So we're just going to head on up here and carry on and get to the marina entrance. Where did all those people come from? Absolutely loads of people down this path now. It's a nice park. Looks like the marina's just in the back there. That's a seriously long boat. Very nice. So we're coming up to another slipway here. Now this may be one that we could actually use for our boat. I'm not sure where all the trailers go, but as you can see, people are parking the trailers in the car parking spaces. And it looks like there's a small area for trailers here too. So we'll have a look at that. Slipway launching fees. Someone recovering now. It's quite a nice slipway, really. Right, this is where our walk really starts. So we're going to be walking along the coastline now and getting some nice views. We've just found the Lido. Some big boats out there. Quite a big marina, really. We're going to carry on down the path. It's quite cold, but no wind, it's quite still. So it's pretty good. Just walking through the marina now. I believe there is a footpath somewhere. I'm going to have to look at the All Trails app and find out. Lots of nice boats around here. Trying to follow the footpath, which we are now. We went in the wrong direction for a little while, but we're now in the right direction. So I think we've just got to keep following the footpath down here. Not sure. Well, that was slightly confusing trying to get through the marina there. But we're back on the right path, we think. And we're heading towards the sort of coastal, the beach area or the coastal path, whatever you want to call it. Yeah. Quay Wall. Is it Seawall? Seawall, there you go. Sonia knows. Don't listen to me. But yeah, we're heading towards the seawall. Made it to the seawall. Now we've got to carry on the footpath, which goes all the way around to the side there. You can just about see the White Link ferry in the background and loads of sailboats. I don't know if you can see, but there's loads of sailboats out there. Just carry on walking and enjoy the views. Now we're on the seawall. It's getting even a bit more chilly. There's a bit of a breeze, very cold breeze actually, but it is absolutely beautiful. If I could just show you around, you can just see the sun haze in the background there. Absolutely lovely. But this is all sort of a nature reserve area. Lots of wild birds and stuff. But yeah, really nice. So we're going to carry on. We've got to head on round the coastline there. So that's what we're going to do. And keep enjoying the walk. It's cold, but the views are stunning. Really amazing. So we're about halfway round now, but we are intending on going to the pub, the Ship Inn that we passed near the slipway. We're going to go and have lunch in there in a little while. So we're going to carry on walking around and then have a well-deserved sandwich. And I'm already looking forward to that. How about you, son? Yeah. Okay, yeah, we're both really hungry. Right, you can just about see over in the distance there, you've got the Isle of Wight and the Needles. So yeah, we're just at the end of the nature walk now, and we're going to be cutting across back towards the pub. Let's get on with it. We're on the return path now. So we're just heading down this small pathway, looping round, and then back through the marina up to Lymington town and the Ship Inn. Looks like we're heading up some country lanes. Not sure how far it is now, maybe another 3k. But yeah, some nice country lanes. Some big houses around here. Carry on up the lane. And back out to the marina. So I think we have to turn right here and head down the path. Getting closer to the pub now, which is nice. Right, we are back out onto the marina. We've just passed the slipway again, and we're heading past the green. Now, we made a mistake and didn't actually book a table at the Ship Inn, thinking that it wasn't going to be so busy, but we've just checked and there isn't any tables available. So we're going to look for somewhere else to have something to eat. And worst case scenario, we'll get a sausage roll or something. So that's what we're going to do. Right, we're going to give it a go and see if we can get into the Ship Inn and see if they've got any spaces. So let's see how we get on. Right, that is the end of our walk. Hope you enjoyed it. I think we certainly enjoyed it as well. And it was quite fortunate to get in at the Ship Inn in the end and had a lovely pizza. And you had what was it? A butternut squash soup, which was really nice. So we're going to head back to the car now. And we will see you on the next adventure. Bye-bye.